Maintaining your Bosch tankless water heater is crucial for extending its lifespan and ensuring efficient operation. The two most important maintenance tasks are descaling the heat exchanger and checking filters. Regular maintenance prevents mineral buildup, maintains water flow rates, and avoids error codes that can shut down your system. Descaling removes mineral buildup that accumulates in the heat exchanger. This buildup can reduce water flow and cause error codes. The process involves circulating a vinegar and water solution through the system. The frequency of descaling depends on your water's mineral content. Annual descaling is generally recommended, but areas with hard water may require more frequent maintenance. Regular filter maintenance is essential for proper water flow and system operation. Inspect and clean the inlet water filter and any air filters. Damaged or permanently clogged filters must be replaced. These maintenance steps are covered in the manual that came with your water heater and must be referred to prior to engaging in any work. Always follow manufacturer guidelines for safe and proper maintenance. Regular leak detection is the first line of defense in maintaining your tankless water heater. Visual inspection should be performed routinely to catch problems early. Check these key areas for water leaks or drips. Around the unit exterior, all plumbing connections, the pressure relief valve, and any installer-supplied connections. Any leaks discovered should be addressed immediately to prevent water damage and maintain system efficiency. Even small drips can indicate developing problems. Moving beyond daily checks, professional inspections provide comprehensive system evaluation that homeowners cannot safely perform themselves. Annual professional inspections are essential for gas tankless water heaters. Only qualified technicians should perform these comprehensive system checks. Qualified technicians inspect critical components including the venting system, heat exchanger, burner assembly, pressure relief valve, and condensate trap. Annual inspections help identify potential issues before they become costly repairs and ensure your system operates safely and efficiently. Safety protocols are paramount when working with gas appliances. Following proper procedures protects both you and your equipment. Before performing any maintenance, always turn off the power supply and shut off both gas and water supplies to the unit. Never attempt to remove the front cover yourself. This should only be done by qualified service personnel to avoid safety hazards and potential damage. If you smell gas at any time, immediately shut off the gas supply and contact a professional. Do not use electrical switches or create any sparks near the unit. Following these leak detection, inspection, and safety protocols will help ensure your tankless water heater operates reliably and safely for years to come.